Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn about how to download and install the latest version of NetBeans IDE on Windows 11. And we also write the first program of Java in NetBeans. First, we open our favorite search engine. Now we search here NetBeans. After opening this window, we open the NetBeans website netbeans.apache.org. Double click on it. Now the NetBeans website is open. Now you can see the latest version of NetBeans is available here. If you open this website at any time, the latest version of NetBeans will be available here. Now we click on download. After opening this window, if you are downloading NetBeans for Linux, you click on this link. If you are downloading NetBeans for Mac OS, then you click on this link. But no, I am downloading NetBeans for Windows 11, so I click on this link. Double click on it. After opening this window, click on this link. Double click on it. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans is downloading here. After downloading the latest version of NetBeans installer, now we install it. Double click on it. Now we allow it. Click on yes. Now we click on next. Now we accept the license agreement. If you want to read the license agreement, you can it. Otherwise, there is no need to read it. Accept it. Check out this checkbox and click on next. Now the default path of NetBeans is written here. If you want to change it, you can it. Otherwise, there is no need to change it. Now you can see the Java JDK path is also selected here. It's mean Java JDK is also installed on my window. If you have not installed the Java JDK, first you install Java JDK, then install the NetBeans IDE. If you want to install the Java JDK, you can see this video. The link of this video given in description, and also the link of this video showing in I button. Now we click on next. If you want your NetBeans automatically updates the installed plugins, you check out this option. Otherwise, you can uncheck this option. I prefer to check out this option. Now we click on install. Now you can see the latest version of NetBeans IDE is installing. Now you can see the latest version of NetBeans IDE is successfully installed. Now we click on finish. Now we close this folder. Now we open the NetBeans and run the first program in Java. Double click on it. Now you can see the latest version of NetBeans is open. Now we go to file, click on new project. Now we select the category of project Java with Maven and select project the Java application. Now we click on next. Now here you can choose any name of project. I am choosing it Tech1. Here you can choose the location where your projects will be saved. Here you can select group ID. Here you can write package name. This is optional. If you do not want to write the package name, you can it. I am leaving it default. Now click on finish. In the latest version of NetBeans automatically write the first program in Java. Now we run it. Click on this option. First time NetBeans takes time to run it because it installs some necessary packages and plugins. Now you can see our first program is successfully built. Now you can see here hello world is written here. Now we replace the hello world with technical educational tips. Now you can see here we replace the hello world with technical and educational tips. Now we run it. Click on this option. Now you can see here this program is successfully run. In this way you can download and install the latest version of NetBeans on Windows 11 and run first program on NetBeans. If you like this video, like it. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.